So into wait, a fan.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me.
Hi, so in today's video, I'm doing another wig review for you guys. It is a wig provided by ZURYSIS. It is a sis sister wig I am wearing right now, of course. So let's get into the detail. Today's wig is a part of the Sassy Lively Spirit collection, and it is the style Sassy HMH Moda. And I have the color Some Cinnamon. It is a half moon part 6-inch plus semicircle deepest hand tied, high heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the color on the model is a 1B. So this is not a lace front wig. I didn't have to cut off any lace. The only lace on this wig is in the part, is in the 6-inch half moon part. Okay, so the color shown on the model is a 1B, and then they also have like this picture on the back of like them putting it in a ponytail in the back for like a really sleek look. However, in that one, I don't know if they straightened this wig and then did that, or if it's just like another wig with the same parting and like the same construction, but it's like straight hair and it's in a part. But it looks really, really nice, really classy looking, real bougie looking, you know. And then, you know, of course they have the washing and care instructions on the back, all the colors that it comes in, 1B to 99J, and I'm gonna skip all like Psalms, so I'm gonna just say the color after that. 2730, Burgundy, Aurora, Cali, Ocean, Rose Gold, Cinnamon, and Oil Twilight. Oil Twilight sounds interesting. I'm guessing that's that like oil slick type of look that a lot of synthetic wigs have been coming in lately. She cute, she popping. So I really like this wig. It really reminds me of like a wet and wavy type of wig that, you know, you used to get, or, you know, wet and wavy hair that, you know, some people used to get back in the beauty supply store synthetic hair bundle pack days. That's what that reminds me of. Reminds me of a little bit of a like a wet and wavy type of look. I think it's gonna be really cute for like spring and summer. It's gonna be some good hair if you wanna like go take your pictures by the pool, by the beach. Very good swimming hair for pictures. So yeah, I feel like it's gonna be like really good spring and summer hair. Let's go ahead and talk about the color. So the color is called Cinnamon. At the top, let me pull my mirror up so I can get a good description for y'all. So at the top, it's like okay, so it's like plummy burgundy type of color, but like it's slightly kind of brown too. And then the bottom half is like a magenta orangey type of mix. I feel like on my viewfinder it looks a lot brighter than it is in person. It's not really that bright. Yes, it's not that bright in person. That's pretty much the color. I wouldn't say that it's ombre, because it's more so at the top it's that like plummy type of color, and then at the bottom, like the back half of the wig, is that like rusty orangey magenta type of color, because it definitely has like streaks and stuff in it. It makes it look like it's ombre because of the layering on the wig, but it's definitely not ombre. It's more so two-tone with like streaks kind of going through without it. Obviously the streaks aren't like super contrasted colors that like are completely different. They're just, you know, they're pretty similar. So yeah, that's kind of how I would describe this color. Again, this is not a lace front wig. This is what the hairline looks like. What they did in the picture was they gave the model baby hairs. I'm trying to see if the wig, no, I don't really think the wig has baby hairs. The wig doesn't really have baby hairs itself, so I do know that that is the model's hair, especially seeing as they used a 1B for the model. I do really, really like the style of this wig though. The wig, like the style of it is very, very cute. Like I said, it's gonna be very appropriate for spring and summer, you know? And if you like these type of like wavy, crinkly, crumpled, crinkled, I can't think of what it is, you know, like those hot tools that you used to use back in the day. I can't think of what it is, but yeah, it kind of reminds me of that. And let's talk about the technical stuff that has to do with the wig. So I'm sitting here, I'm planning it. I've received just like a tiny bit of shedding as I took it out. Obviously I didn't have to cut any lace, so this would be shedding that is from, you know, how the wig works in general. I run my fingers through the hair a lot, you know, because obviously the waves were a little like flatter and awkward looking when you first get it, and I ran my fingers through it just to, you know, adjust it to fit my face. And I got just a little bit shedding. It wasn't nothing too crazy, nothing too bad. I don't really see this wig shedding crazily. I feel like it'll mostly shed whenever you run your fingers through it, so I would advise, like I say in most wig reviews, not run your fingers through synthetic hair. It's not what it's there for. You need to just put the wig on, leave it alone. If it looks tangly, that's when you know you gotta get it together. But if it don't look tangly, don't touch it. If it's moving well, don't touch it. If it's stiff, that's when you get to tangling. So this is not really straight hair. It's kind of that crumpled look that I still can't think of. I mean, you know, it's not really tangle free. Like this is definitely hair that you can expect to be tangle free, because you know, it's like the hair itself would have been straight before the crinkled. I can't think of what it is. I really can't. So, you know, I can run my fingers through the hair fine. Like, I can. I don't really advise doing that though. I don't really think this wig will tangle much. I feel like maybe, you know, back here in the kitchen it could, because of the density of the wig. Let's get into that. The wig is fairly thick. It's very full. I can feel it on my neck, which can be irritating to some people if you have like body temperature problems. If you get hot like I do, I get very hot very easily. You know, this might not be the best wig, or you know, you can just layer it up, chop it up a little bit back here, thin it out, make it a little bit thinner, because it is a very full it's kind of thick. You know, I would definitely probably layer this a little bit if I wanted to wear this out and to work, because the store that I work at gets hot. Like, it gets hot. So yeah, I'd have to do some chopping to girl over here. Luster, it's not shiny at all. Considering the colors, it isn't shiny whatsoever. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It doesn't shine, which is a good thing. Yeah, I am getting some shedding though. It's not minimal. I feel like if I said that earlier, then I'm lying. Anytime I run my fingers through this hair, I get shedding. So, okay, so something else I wanted to talk about was like the versatility of this wig, because it is not a lace front. And it doesn't have much parting space. Now, I don't really think that this wig will have much versatility. I think it'll be kind of like very basic, because it does have a part just on a very specific area of your head. It has this half moon part on the right side of my head. You know, obviously you can do what they had shown on the card and do like a little ponytail. You can do ponytails and like low ponytails. And then, I mean, if you want to, you can do like a half up, half down. If you pull some strands out in the front, pull my mirror back up here, you know, do a little bit of that. This little action right here. And like if you layered that a little bit, did a little something like that, possibly do a half up, half down, but that would take some time. I would definitely spend some time on that hairstyle. So I won't be doing a versatility showcase just because I feel like this wig isn't very versatile. The construction of it really isn't that versatile at all. Oh, also construction. It has adjustable straps and it has 3 combs. It's that thing where the combs are on either side of the part right here, and none like right here on this side to hold this side of the head together, and then there's one in the back. So there's only like, you know, these 2, and then that. Add another comb, you know, right there on this little corner right there, and you know, we good. But they decided to leave it empty, which on this wig it actually isn't that bad, because it does fit my head really well. It fits my head very well actually. Like, I feel like the way that I have the wig adjusted on my head right now, it feels very nice, very secure. I feel like I could whip my hair back and forth all over the place. I feel like I could go dance in this hair. I feel like this could be really good hair for me dancing actually. As far as this wig goes, I feel like it's a very, very good wig. I don't feel like it's very versatile, but I do think it's a good wig. It does shed, say that, it sheds. Tangling isn't bad. I don't really think it'll get too crazy. If y'all have any questions, make sure y'all comment down below, and I'll make sure to get back to you as fast as I can. Make sure y'all follow me on my social media at SadeXLove. All of it will be in the description. Make sure y'all check out ZURYSIS, Zury Hollywood. All of them, their links will be in the description. Links to get this wig. Wait, I lied. Ha 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 ha. Sorry. I probably should have mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but this is a sample wig. So it's not on sale right now. It's not on sale at this very moment. Sorry. I probably should have said it before I didn't talk about it. But so it's not for sale right now, but hopefully it will be soon. Whenever it is for sale, just make sure y'all are following ZURYSIS on their you know, Instagram and their social media and everything to keep updates on it, because I do really like this wig. I think it's really cute. Well, I love it. I love it. And especially if you are not really into color like that and you want to do like a 1B or a 1-2, then you know, I feel like this is gonna be like a really good everyday wig. And then yeah, that's pretty much it for this wig review. Make sure y'all follow them on their Instagram. Everything will be down below. I already said it. And yeah, make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Turn on the bell notifications. And that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.